Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Leah at Carleh's Creations, or Carleh's Creations. I don't really know how to say that, but I'll show you her card. Just 1 second. That is her website, and she also has a Facebook group. I will link you to both. These are actually 2 orders. So I got one in March, at the end of February, early March, and then I just got one today. Because I ordered something. She was like, can you just wait a little bit so I could get my stuff in my shop? And I was like, yeah, for sure. So, oh, here we go. So let's take a look. And I don't really remember what I got in the first one, and I kind of remember what I got in the second one, but there we go. So we have a free gift in here somewhere. I honestly probably couldn't tell you, since it's an older order, what was free and what I ordered. Okay, so we have some earring charms. Or no, these are connectors. Okay, these are the free gift. Time for tea. That's so cute. I just got some teapot charms too from, oh, well, here we have teacup charms. Those are cute. But I also got some brass teapot charms from another Distash or haul video that I haven't posted yet. So those are super cute. We have a bracelet bar. Love that. So pretty. And I love that the clay itself is really dark. Next we have, she always puts them in these nice organza bags. Let's see. Oh, some more charms. If you guys will remember, I have this pattern. It's like a ginkgo pattern in a bracelet bar. And I haven't used it yet, but that is so pretty. I just love that emerald green and such a wonderful pattern. Love that. And then I have actually something pretty similar to this, but larger, from her in a little bit darker purple. Those are really pretty. So that's about the size of her earring charms. Those are lovely, and they're pretty lightweight. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, a nice bracelet bar. It was brown and orange. I love that. It's really pretty. And I love that she finishes the back. All right, so let's see what else was in this order. So this is still the first box that I got back in the beginning of March. I kind of opened it, looked through it, and then set it aside. So it's still new to me too again. Let's see. Oh yes, 2 bracelet bars. I remember buying these. They're so cool. This one is so neat. I love that pattern, and it's a slate blue with brown, and then here's like a almost similar blue but without the brown. Very cool. I love this pattern. Very neat. So we've got a bunch of bracelet bars. You guys know I love those. Oh, here's another one, like a tribal design. It could go either way. Love that color. So pretty. I think this was the order. I can't remember. Was this the order where she had, I think it might have been the one where she had a sale and I kind of just went nuts. This is another bracelet bar. I love it. It's like almost like hieroglyphics. So cool. Really wish I had that stamp. Although I have a ton of stamps, I probably never need to buy another stamp a day in my life. This is beautiful. It's very similar to this one, but just brighter. I love those. And then again, that dark clay. I love that. And then we have, oh yes, this guy. He's a pendant. So the hole is right there. I can't remember if this was the sale or the other purchase that I had before this one, but we got some good stuff in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bracelet bars, a pendant, and then she sent me these lovely earring charms, or just regular charms. So that was one order. These are wonderful. I love this little guy. So pretty. I'm just going to set those to the side, and then we're going to look through today's order. Again, it came in another organza bag. I love this. This is the only thing that I looked at before I unboxed with you today. I did ask her because it looked a little bit more orange on her page if it was orange, and she did tell me it was a little bit more brown, but I love it. I love the contrast with the cream of the hibiscus. It's just so cool. It's so cool. Oh, look at that. That's so great. Love it. I love it. And then she did some custom work for me too, because I saw some stuff I really liked on her page, but then I asked her to make it in a different shape. So she had this red and turquoise glaze combo, and she made it into an oval. It was in the shape. She had a bracelet bar in this shape, but I asked her if she could do oval. It's really pretty. I love that. And then what else do we have here? Oh, the hearts. Oh my gosh, I was dying when I saw she has hearts. Oh, and it's that same red and turquoise. I am in love with that pattern and the coloring. Look at that. I mean, even the backs, you could wear it just like that too. You don't need the pattern. It's so wonderful. I don't know if that's 2 glazes or 1 glaze. I just love it. It's so cool. So cool. Then we have, oh my goodness, she sent a free gift in here. Okay, so she sent a free gift with this, and I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, she sent a turquoise heart. I am in heaven. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. And then she sent a little paisley guy. So cute. I love the geometric pattern in the middle of the paisley, and it's a bracelet bar. You can use it as a connector, but oh my gosh, I feel like spoiled. And then last but not least, you didn't think I wouldn't get it in red and blue, did you? I had to when I saw that she had the little hearts and the big hearts. I am obsessed with them. But I am so happy she included this. Thank you so much, Leah. You didn't have to do that, and it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Okay, guys, I'm gonna need to make 2 drawers for Leah at this point. I'm gonna go get my Leah drawer, and then we'll put these in. Okay, so my Leah drawer is getting mighty full. I'm gonna have to make a second one, or get her own little set of like 4 drawers from the Dollar Tree or whatever. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but here's all the stuff I have from her already that I haven't used because it's like my collection. And every time you just got to come in and pet the beads a little bit, say hi, make sure they know you love them. So we're just going to go ahead and put this in very carefully. Yeah, I'm going to have to do one just for bracelet bars, one for pendants, and one for charms because we're getting quite full here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys my favorite. My favorites from today have to be these 2 guys and this guy and these 2 guys. And I think that's it. I love all of them. Don't get me wrong. But I think, oh, this guy too. I forgot about him. So those are my favorites out of the entire haul, with I think surprisingly the free gift being my favorite. So yeah, I'm really happy with that guy. So we'll keep putting him in there. They're like my little treasures. Of course I dropped one. We have ceramic ASMR with them clicking against each other. And last but not least, the guy I dropped the time for tea. That is just so cute. Just so cute. Thank you, Leah. You guys check out her shop and her Facebook page, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your night. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. What you doing, honey? You sleeping? Are you trying to sleep? Yeah. under your hideout, huh? You love being under that pillow.